Hello everyone, welcome to Car Chronicles. In today's video, we will be covering about rich history and the fascinating facts of Indian iconic car brand Tata Motors. Number 1. Tata Motors was founded in 1945. Tata Motors, a name synonym with its reliability and innovation, established by Jamshed Ratan Tata, a visionary entrepreneur and aviation enthusiast. Tata Motors quickly rose to prominence with its groundbreaking models. Number 2. Jamshed Ratan Tata, known as the father of Indian aviation, had a passion for automobile and a vision to change the Indian car market. Under his leadership, Tata Motors introduced the iconic Tata Indica, India's first developed passenger car. Number 3. Today, Tata Motors continue to push their boundaries with the range of stylish and feature-packed cars, including the popular Tata Tiago, Tata Nexon and the electric sensation Tata Nexon EV. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment. Also subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos.